Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all my trinkets that I have around my room. Random little things that I've bought that I probably shouldn't have bought. I still did because I'm a spender and not a wise spender. I'm going to start off with all my Sonny Angels because those are my most prized possessions. I do have this little case for them, but when I picked it up it fell. So I'm just going to show you guys by picking them out. I'm going to go from my least favorite to my most favorite. So for my least favorite, it would be this one right here. I don't remember the name, but I know it's from the Flower series. And it's just like not my favorite because like I feel like the design's kind of like, I don't know, it just doesn't match my colors that I really like. She's still cute. My next one would be this pair. I think it's pretty cute, but I have way cuter ones in my collection. Okay, so most of mine are real. There's only one that's fake. So it would be this one. I got it at like I don't even know what it was. It was like a Korean store. It was like 10 bucks. I mean, it's pretty cute. My next one would be this hippo from the Rainy Day series. I mean, it's pretty cute, but I would have rather gotten the frog. I only bought two, so out of all my odds, I got this one. Which I'm glad I didn't get that red fish though, because everybody got that red fish. For my next one, it would be this happy birthday one. I bought this literally on my birthday. I like it. Like, it's actually super cute, but I have way cuter ones in my collection, so that's why this one's gone kind of a little low on the list. And also, I really wish I got the pink one. That one was so cute. My next one would be the pink axolotl from the Rainy Day series. It's really cute, but as you can see, she has a little flaw. She lost her hand in a very bad accident. We don't talk about the accident, but she's still super cute. I also feel like going from this face to this, I feel like they stopped trying a lot with like the blush and everything. I have two that I really like. They're probably both on first spot, but I'm just going to show you guys them separately. First, we have the alligator or crocodile from, I think this is series 1. It is so cute. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this one. I don't know if it's because of the green. I don't know, but his face isn't like weird shaped either, so I think it's really cute. Now for my top #1 favorite, it would definitely be the loop ear bunny. Like, look at the pink gradients. I think that's how I would say it. It's so cute, adorable, and my favorite color is pink, so why wouldn't I love this? When I got her, stunned, because I got like a couple in like a whole week, so they kept coming to my house like shipping, and then I finally opened it and I was like, I hope I get the loop ear bunny, and I opened it and I got it. Like, hello, the luck. Next, I'm gonna show you guys all of my Pop Mart figures. I'm gonna do the same thing I did for my Sonys, my least favorite to my most favorite. Okay, to start off with the Hirono series, my least favorite is this crystal guy. I don't know why, but like I don't like the design on the body. I like the hair, but I feel like the body, they could have done something different. It's just not my cup of tea. My next one would be this one. He's supposed to be like a monkey, but the tail broke off when I opened it and I lost the phone. But he's pretty cute with the stuff on him. I really like the design of his face. He's really cute. My next one would probably be this one. I'm not sure what he's supposed to be. I think a fox or something. I actually really like his design, but I have a way better one that I really like. For the next one, here's this one. I'm not sure what his name is, but I really love this design. Like, he just looks like a schoolboy, really cutesy, like, you know, like he's so cute. And whoever came up with these faces is like actually goated because these are so adorable. Now for my most favorite Hirono, it's definitely gonna be this one. I just think he's so adorable, and just like the idea of this, and I watched the backstory. Every backstory for these characters are so sad. I like that he's like sewed, so he has like fur coming out or something, and the fact that they added something for him to sit on. Like, I'm glad they didn't just leave him like this because it's kind of basic. This just adds a crazy touch. Next is for the demo world. I literally only have one because I really wanted to get more, but they didn't really have any cool ones, so this is the only one I got, which it kind of matches the vibe right now since it's October. This is the Halloween. I think this is the Joker one. I'm not sure. Like, I wish I got more that was like cuter, and I really like that his hair is like jelly or something. Next is Peach Riot. I really do wish I also had more of these, but I only have one, so I'm gonna just show you that one. This is the one I got on the science lab, the scientist one. She's really pretty. She's really cute. Next is for Skull Panda. This is honestly probably my favorite series other than the Hirono one. Again, we're doing the same thing, least favorite to most favorite. This is my least favorite one. I like the design, I like the idea, but like I feel like something could have been different. I don't know what. But it also came with a mask. Guys, I'm really bad at keeping little small things in my room, like tiny things, so I lose a lot of things. I also lost her stand. Y'all, I'm just a loser. Next, I have this one. She's really gorgeous. I actually really like her design and everything, especially these little like crows in the back. And for my favorite one, it's definitely this one. I have this matching with my sister. She's actually adorable. Like, the fox in the back, her like having a book and everything, like the glass. Gorgeous, amazing. Next is baby Molly. This one is so adorable. Like she has a cat and the little hair ponytail is so cute. I hope I can get more soon. And the last one for my Pop Mart is this one, Lotso from Toy Story. He's actually really cute and I didn't expect him to be this tiny though. Like literally look at how tiny. Next, I'm going to show you guys my Smiskis. I only have 2. I really hope to get more in the future. Maybe a Smisky unboxing video. Who knows? This one, he has a little sweater putting on. It's really cute. And these also glow in the dark, but I actually have not tried that yet. And every time I turn my lights off, they don't really glow. So I'm not sure how that works. But now for the next one, I got this one from the Moving series. I really like this one. Like, I don't know why it just stood out so much to me. I wanted it and then I got it, which is really cool. Now here's 2 random ones. Here's a Miffy. I'm pretty sure I got this at Miniso. And then this one I got at like Hot Topic, I think. He's just like low-key, like really cute. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's in this little brown thing I have with some trinkets in it. These 2 were where some of my Ronos were, and some of the other ones I showed you were in here, like my Smiskies. So first I have these like random Shopkins because when I was younger, I literally had so many Shopkins. Next, these 2, I got this little mini pop and a Lalaloopsy, which is also my childhood. Love Lalaloopsies. And then we got this little fella. He's really cute. And this one. And we got little Dory. She is so cute. Also love this movie. And like I said, another Shopkin. Then I have these 2 like mini Squishmallows. These are so cute. Then I have this Pokemon character, really cute. This was a keychain. You can literally tell. It was on my purse, but it broke randomly, but it's a squishy, so that's pretty cool. 2 more Squishmallows, really cute. One of my most favorite ones in my collection is King Bob. He's so adorable and shiny. Then I have a little calico critter. I actually don't have a name for this. We're just gonna name him Timmy for the video. Then I got this guy. Hey, he's so cute. And he makes sound. I don't know what he is, but he makes sound, so period. We're almost done. Just a couple more. I have these 2 that are from Miniso. They're from both the same collection, just different characters. These are so cute and I love the idea of like having it clear looking like skeleton kind of. And I'm pretty sure this is a McDonald's toy, but it's a Hello Kitty one. Really cool. Then I have this like really just like kind of random. I bought this from Tesso Life, I'm pretty sure. She's really cute. 2 more Pokemon characters. These are so adorable. I would show you guys my pops, but that's probably for a whole new video because that's a lot. This is also one of my favorite things in my room, like my whole entire room. We have my Shopkins collection. Some of them are missing because these are the ones that are in my little brown thing I showed you. Look at how cute all these are. Like, these are adorable. And this is so nostalgic because me and my sister would literally trade Shopkins when we were younger. Like, that's actually amazing. Let me know if you guys like this video. If you did, please go like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to anyone you think you would like this. And let me know if you guys want to see me go trinket shopping because that would be a really fun vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!